If you change your iPhone battery, you will see a message in the settings about the new battery and you probably won't see the battery capacity. If you had a third-party battery replacement done, the iPhone cannot read that battery for health. It will usually report that you don't have a genuine Apple battery installed too. As you see, you will get this annoying message about your battery and you won't be able to see maximum capacity. If you are seeing this message, it almost always means your phone has an aftermarket, not original Apple battery installed in. Newer iPhones don't show battery health in settings with third-party batteries now, even if the original battery's serial number has been copied over. But don't worry anymore. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove this message about your battery and how to restore and show the battery capacity. Okay, to do that, first go ahead and open Celio or Zebra Store. Go to the sources here and make sure to add this repo. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for BatteryHealthEnabler Tweak. And as you see, this is the tweak. This amazing tweak will remove the battery message and enable battery health so you can see the battery capacity again. It's a free tweak and it works on iOS 14 up to iOS 18. Now go ahead and install it. Since I'm using Bootstrap jailbreak, I will need to convert this tweak to work with Bootstrap. Okay, after converting the tweak, go ahead and install it. Okay, the tweak has been installed. Now respring your device. Okay, now go to settings. Go to battery and boom, as you see, the battery message is now removed from my iPhone and now I can see the maximum battery capacity again. I have a third-party battery installed on my iPhone and I can now see the maximum capacity. So this is the tweak. It's a great tweak that will help you to get rid of the annoying battery message and will help you get back the maximum capacity. It works on Bootstrap jailbreak as well. Why it's important to see maximum capacity? Well, users can determine just how used and abused that handset's internal battery might be. This feature has been used for a multitude of reasons ranging from discerning when a battery needs to be replaced to identifying whether a used iPhone is worth the asking price. This of course begs the obvious question, why Apple doesn't allow us to see the maximum capacity when we change and use third-party battery? With this tweak, you can natively enable battery health feature on your iOS device, though the only use case is to see the current maximum capacity of your battery and remove battery message in settings. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.